Now our concern is how we can withdraw our earnings, means how we can withdraw these earnings to our any wallet address. So to withdraw your earnings, all you have to do, you have to at first click on earning section, and then you have to click on withdraw funds. And to withdraw your earnings, at first all you have to do, you have to connect your wallet to this Ipweb website. To connect your wallet, or to connect your preferred withdrawal method, all you have to do, you have to go to account, and then you have to go to payment requisites, and here you see these are the supported payment methods on this website. They support web money, WMR wallet, they support U-Money, they support Payer, they support Perfect Money, they support Advocash, they support even card number. Also they support ATM. So I have a Payer account and I have linked my Payer account to this website. To link any website, all you have to do, you have to copy your wallet address or the thing they require and just put it here, and then click on save, and you have to put your password. After putting password, when you click on save, your wallet will be added to this website within 3 days, and after 3 days you can easily withdraw any amount of your earning anytime as you want. But the minimum withdrawal from this platform is 3 ruble. As we have 19.19 ruble, we are going to withdraw our earnings to our Payer account. For this, we have to click on earnings section, and then we will go to the withdraw funds section. And then all we have to do, we have to select in which currency we are going to withdraw our earnings. Let's say I am going to withdraw my earnings in ruble. So here you see, and I am going to withdraw 19 ruble to my Payer wallet address, and they will cut 0.76 ruble from my earnings as a payment processing fee. So I will got 18.24 ruble for this 19 ruble withdrawal. So to withdraw my earnings, let's click on transfer funds to wallet, and here you see minimum withdrawal for Payer is 10 ruble and I have 19 ruble, so I can withdraw my amount. To withdraw the amount, we have to click on transfer funds to wallet. And here you see the withdrawal request has been sent successfully. So guys, in my Payer wallet address, here you see in my Payer wallet I have received 18.24 Russian ruble. So let's check the history. Here you see at 13 May 2022 at 4:53 PM I have received 18.24 ruble to my Payer wallet address. So guys, this website is completely legitimate and they are paying users every single day, so you can easily work in this website. There is no risk and you don't have to invest any money. So this website is really a great one if you are wishing to make some extra money by doing this simple task. So thank you.